Stinky sponge? Don't use it. Nasty rag? Lose it. Introducing the Better Sponge, the most incredible sponge you've ever experienced. Fun and flexible, the Better Sponge cleans delicate glassware with one swipe. Plus, it gets down deep for steins and skinny glasses. The secret is the 3,000 tiny silicone fingers that work to loosen and clean stuck-on grime. Non-abrasive, so gentle it never scratches, but strong enough to clean crusty baked-on cheese, even clean stainless pans like steel wool. Sponges harbor mildew and bacteria that could make you sick. The Better Sponge is free from smelly mildew. To refresh, just pop in the dishwasher. Wipe clean any surface, anywhere without scratching. Stuck-on food slips away in seconds with the Better Sponge. For speedy drying, stick the built-in suction cup to the sink. In this amazing demo, we cleaned these pans with the Better Sponge and an ordinary sponge, then rinsed them clean. After soaking in water, the sponge released a ton of dirt, but the Better Sponge stayed spotless. The Better Sponge is also a heat-resistant pot holder. There's a non-slip mighty grip to help you pop that top. Pop the top on any jar. That's not all. Easily wipe away sticky soap scum for sparkling shower doors. The extra long static bristles easily lift pet hair off furniture. Simply rinse to use over and over again. Regular sponges constantly need replacing, and that's costly. But the Better Sponge is made of flexible, durable silicone, so it lasts and lasts. Now get the Better Sponge set for just $19.99 and get free shipping. But wait, call right now and you can double your order. Just pay a separate fee. The Better Sponge, the last sponge you'll ever need. So order yours today.
Are you tired of that hassle of peeling for what seems to be hours whenever you want to enjoy delicious high-protein eggs? Peeling is such a pain, and what a mess! There has to be a better way to peel eggs without the hassle. Well, now there is. Introducing the Eggstractor, the most amazing new patented invention that will change the way you and your family eat eggs for good. The Eggstractor peels hard-boiled eggs instantly and perfectly every time. Make mouth-watering deviled eggs, egg salad, apple egg delight, egg trifle, and much more. Peel eggs instantly in just 3 easy steps. Just tap the top of the egg, place vertically over the specially designed extracting hole, cover with the peeling bellow, and press down. Voila! A perfectly peeled egg every time. Add great tasting protein to all your favorite foods quickly and easily. The magic behind the Eggstractor is pure science. Look, at the tip of every egg there is a small chamber of air called the air cell. Inside the Eggstractor, pressure forces the air from the cell and causes the shell to separate from the egg. The egg pops out perfectly deshelled every time. In fact, the Eggstractor peels eggs 10 times faster than peeling by hand. Discover how many delicious meals you can enjoy when peeling eggs is a snap. And the extractor is so easy. Watch your kids have fun decorating eggs and then peeling them for a delicious, healthy snack.
Now there's a faster, easier way to make healthy, mouth-watering dishes you'll love. Introducing Veggetti Power, the new electric spiralizer that turns fresh vegetables into your favorite meals, lightning fast, bursting with healthy flavor. Just place and press to spiralize veggies into delicious pasta instantly. No waste, no mess. Make a vegetable linguine, angel hair pesto pasta, ribbons of zucchini for gluten-free lasagna. Simply place the vegetable in the cone and just press. It's so fast and easy. In seconds, you have mounds of fresh vegetable pasta, enough for a family feast. Replacing ordinary pasta with zucchini pasta cuts carbs and calories, and it's guilt-free and gluten-free, helping you be healthy, energized, and even lose weight. The secret is the ultra-sharp stainless steel blades and powerful rotary motor that spiralizes vegetables in a flash. With 3 different slicing blades, thick, thin, or ribbon cut. It's fun and easy to make amazing dishes the whole family will love. Make Asian noodles, spaghetti Alfredo, or pasta primavera. Crisp curly fries, baked sweet potato ribbons, hash browns, and potato pancakes. Power through carrots and cucumbers for a quick crunch at lunch. And it's dishwasher safe. Now transform your vegetables in seconds to healthy gourmet meals with Veggetti Power. Veggetti Power, the new electric spiralizer that turns fresh vegetables into your favorite meals